Hello friends, welcome to Unified Study Channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 17 September. Let's start. In the year of 1598 on this day Mauritius was discovered by a sailor from the Netherlands. In the year of 1789 on this day Mimas, a satellite of Saturn, was discovered by English astronomer William Herschel using his 40-foot reflector telescope. In the year of 1867 on this day Gagneन्द्rnath Tagore, the famous Indian caricature painter cartoonist, was born. In the year of 1872 on this day freedom fighter Vaman Rao Baliram Lakhe was born. In the year of 1879 on this day E.V. Ramaswamy Naikar alias Perrier, Tamil Indian freedom fighter, politician and social activist, was born. In the year of 1915 on this day Maqbool Fida Hussain, the famous painter of India, was born. In the year of 1922 on this day the cyclist Pete Moskowitz became world champion. In the year of 1923 on this day the fire in Berkeley caused great destruction in California. About 640 buildings were engulfed in fire, including 584 densely built homes in the north neighborhood of the University of California campus. In the year of 1948 on this day the princely state of Hyderabad was merged with India. In the year of 1949 on this day the Dravid Munnetra Kazhagam (TMK), a South Indian political party, was founded by C. N. Annadurai. In the year of 1950 on this day Indian politician and current Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi was born. He is the Prime Minister since 2014. The current chairman of Niti Aayog is also Modi ji because the post of the chairman of Niti Aayog is that of the Prime Minister. In the year of 1956 on this day Indian Oil and Natural Gas Commission was formed. In the year of 1957 on this day Malaysia joined the United Nations. In the year of 1974 on this day Bangladesh, Grenada and Guinea-Bissau joined the United Nations. In the year of 1986 on this day Indian spinner R. Ashwin was born. In the year of 1999 on this day Osama bin Laden declared jihad against India. Bin Laden was killed in 2011 during an operation by the US military. In the year of 2011 on this day the Wall Street Siege movement was launched in Zuccotti Park, New York. In the year of 2017 on this day PV Sindhu became the first Indian to win the Korea Open Super Series. In the year of 2020 on this day Lok Sabha passed two agricultural bill amid protests from a section of opposition parties and agricultural organizations. The two bills included the Farmers Empowerment and Protection Agreement on Price Assurance and Agricultural Services Bill 2020 and the Farmers Produced Trade and Commerce Promotion and Facilitation Bill 2020. In the year of 2020 on this day India was ranked at 116th position in the latest edition of the World Bank's annual Human Capital Index. The index shows the major components of human capital in all countries. In the year of 2020 on this day Union Civil Aviation Minister Hardeep Singh Puri inaugurated India's first exclusive private jet terminal at Indira Gandhi International Airport. This terminal will handle flight operations of private jets. In the year of 2020 on this day four major cities of India New Delhi, Bengaluru, Mumbai and Hyderabad had shown a decline in the ranking of the Global Smart Cities Index. Singapore topped in the index. Smart City Index 2020 was released by the Institute for Management Development in collaboration with the Singapore University for Technology and Design. In the year of 2020 on this day Tamil Nadu based leading Indian Ayurveda Dr. P.R. Krishnakumar passed away. He was the founder and managing director of the prestigious Coimbatore Arya Vaidya Pharmacy as well as the chancellor of the renowned Avinash Lingam University in Coimbatore. In the year of 2020 on this day US President Donald Trump had said that he was not ready to sign any deal regarding the sale of Chinese video app TikTok until he looks at the offer. Trump had said that the deal should be 100% as far as national security is concerned. That's all. Thanks for watching and support.